Hello everyone, welcome to this new video where we are going to go through grading the student, which is the first problem under implementation section of algorithm on HackerRank. So without wasting time, let us have a look on the problem statement. HackerRank University has the following grading policy. Every student receives a grade in the inclusive range from 0 to 100. Any grade less than 40 is a failing grade. So now we have a professor, we want to round up the grade of the student using this following condition. If the difference between the grade and the next multiple of 5 is less than 3, then he will round up to the next multiple of 5. If the value of the grade is less than 38, no rounding occur. As a result, still be a failing grade. Let us take some example and see what it look like. We have 84. We can see that the difference between 84 and the next multiple of 5, which is 85, is actually 1, which is less than 3. So that we round up to 85. Now we have 29. The difference between 29 and 30 is actually 1, which is less than 3. So we are supposed to round it to 30. But this second condition will prevent us from doing so because it is actually less than 38. Now, what will be our approach of solving this? The first thing is to have the difference, and the one straightforward approach to have the difference will be the modulo operator, because if you have the modulo operator of 84 by 5, this is 4. Based on this, you can easily perform the operation and see if the difference is actually less or greater than 3. So the first thing we are going to do is that we are going to get the modulo operator. Once you have the modulo operator, if the modulo operator is actually 0, 1, or 2, that means the difference will be actually higher than 3. Then there is no operation, there's no rounding to perform. And if combined to the modulo operator less than 3, we have a grade which is also less than 38. There's no operation, and otherwise we just round it up. So it will look like this. We need to create a vector of in. That will be our result because we are returning a vector of in. So we just return our result here. And this is where we should perform our logic. We have so what we should do here is say, okay, more will take, I'll create an int. I'll say more will take grade of I modulo 5. So now say if the modulo is actually less than 3, or if the grade is actually less than 38, what we should do is that there's nothing to perform. And then in the else operation, we do have to perform the rounding. And then to perform the rounding, one interesting thing we can do is that, okay, we can remove the rest. Okay, let us take this one for instance. We have 84. The rest, the modulo operator will return 4. That means if we remove the 4, we will find ourselves with the multiple of 5 directly lower than the grade. And then if you are there, we just add 5, we will find ourselves with the multiple of 5 directly greater than the grade. So this will look like this. You have the grade minus the modulo plus 5, and then this will give us the expected result. Let us run and see what it gives. We have a congratulations, everything is green. Let us submit. Nice. So this was the first program of the implementation section. I hope you enjoy the approach I use here. Feel free to give me feedback in the comment section if you have any, and see you on the next video. Ciao.